They call me Justin. Justin Kerbel.
Looks like there's another one, Chief Inspector. Yeah. Exactly the same modus operandi as before. Beautiful young woman. Cut down to the prime of life. Glitter everywhere. Exactly the same modus operandi. Dead beautiful woman, glitter everywhere. Discarded thong by the door.
Because
I
we're
know
talking
Jack
about...
the Stripper killed your wife.
Fucking hell!
It's hard for me.
You can cry if you want to, it's okay.
No.
Cry. Jack the Stripper, after 20 years, has made it. He's made.
All right, that's it.
Yeah. What do you want to do with the thong, sir?
I'll take that for evidence as well.
I'll put it in a little baggie.
Yeah.
So, you just pick that up with your hands.
No, I've got my black gloves on. Sorry,
Oh, sorry.
They're invisible.
I didn't see.
Invisible gloves
Oh,
on.
I don't know. Isn't it amazing? 1875, what we come up with. The invisible gloves.
You have to keep... It's a bit weird. It feels like you're doing it on purpose, mate.
No, I'm just saying it's modus operandi.
Remember when your wife died?
Murdered.
Remember when he got murdered and she was only 25? Fucking hell. Just chill it, mate. You know. Oh my God, rigor mortis! It's rigor mortis! Rigor mortis!
Why? Don't panic. It's fine. That happens with all bodies.
Remember, while you are working here at Lady Jacqueline's Boulangerie des Strip, there is a certain keep up. There's a certain level of professionalism I require from all my girls.
Oh yeah!
We are not here simply to get naked. We are here to slowly get naked.
Good evening, Madam Jacqueline. How are you? What's
Detective?
Oh, hi.
He's mine! Fuck off! Fucking hell, you got a lot of women in here. It's a fucking boatload of I need to ask you a fucking load of questions.
Keep up!
I'm here, fuck!
No, you're really far behind.
Sorry.
You're walking for ages. I'll
So
wait for
Frank-
you. I'll wait for you, detective.
Oh shit, I'm in the wrong room.
No,
again.
come back.
What's behind? Jesus! Fine. Lovely view you have.
Indeed. Look, 100 women. All of them ready to strip at a moment's notice. Most of them, some of them no. Annette, what have I told you about talking to the police?
Whoa.
Don't squeal to the piggies.
You've been a bad girl. Suspicious?
Yeah.
Everything is suspicious in the art of the strip. Everything is a question. What have you got on under there? But the answer is always the same. Nipple tassels.
Well,
What would you say the going rate would be?
well, I don't do
Maybe-
this sort of thing, so.
Will you leave my nipple tassels alone?
Could we speak alone, the two of us?
Go behind the beaded curtain.
Hello, girls.
Then Frankie is in the door over there, ready to dance. I was thinking of multi-rolling, but apparently no need. Oh, nothing to thank me for. I will get paid for my time. I always do.
You will.
Lady Jacqueline, whatever you say my surname was.
It's a long corridor.
Jacqueline de Long Corridor.
Would this be your first time? Well, I haven't danced. Inspector, believe me, when I start dancing, you'll feel it. It's from my homeland, Bavaria.
Oh, yeah?
You ever been?
No, never been.
Don't touch the merchandise.
No, I won't.
You've got good technique. Thank you. I like what I see. I learned from the best. Oh, I've done this before. Oh, I've done this. Yeah, take my mic off, you fucking slut. You're like weird.
Extra, extra, read all about it. Courtroom's open and ready for business. Courtroom's open, ready for people to come to the fucking courtroom.
The Crown versus Frank Delaware, aka Jack the Stripper. Allegedly.
You have a system of justice, beautifully upheld by its high judges, that says that people, men, women, children, animals, ghosts, angels, demons, are innocent until proven guilty.
Silence in court! I will not allow my court to descend into anarchy!
And therefore, everything that he puts forward to you today in this courtroom is completely tainted by his failure to save his wife. And he has therefore brought me, an innocent Bavarian man, in front of all of you today, claiming that I have done those murders 20 years ago. Ha! What do you think is more likely, that me, a beautiful Bavarian boy, 20 years ago came here and murdered a bunch of women between the ages of 22 and 25? Or that this man is so desperate for answers so he can cover up his own shame?
Jesus! Order! You should know better!
Was Annette guilty? My beautiful Annette? Huh? You killed her? In between when you did the dance for the detective and now her body was found.
Order! Order!
I will not! I am not a British citizen and I will not listen to your cause. This man is a killer! And he should
Get
die!
that mad French out of here!
Oh, my name is not... I hope the cameras can get it. Anyway! Oh, my name is not Lady Jacqueline de Long Corridor.
Ladies and gentlemen, Lady Jacqueline de Long Corridor is my first witness. Is it true that you will say things that are true under oath that are true?
It is true that I will say things under oath that are true, and I will not say things that are untrue under the oath that is true. I did. I felt that he had a power. Obviously, his dancing talent surpassed any I had ever seen from a man before. And his eyes so sharp, piercing, and yet there was an emptiness within, as if something was missing, some human kindness. A soul. I saw no soul there, but I did not realize it until you began investigating. Only then did I say to myself, that man has no soul. And then when Annette died, I knew that I should have acted sooner. And I left it too late. Too late to save her, but perhaps not too late to save the rest of London. From him.
Is it true that you are one of Miss Long Corridor's many strippers?
Ah oui.
Carry me on the boat.
Is it true that on the night of Annette's death, you heard screaming coming from room 405?
Long corridor or long bottom?
Long bottom.
Mais, ah oui, I heard the screaming. It was terrible.
That's better than my accent. Would you like?
If I may.
The second rebuttal gambit.
And it was only when the chief inspector started trying to point fingers at me that you started suspecting me and Annette ended up dead. Only when you let this man in our establishment did she end up dead.
Objection! Leading the witness! Leading the witness!
Sit down! Respect the office of the judge! I am getting bored! All right. I requested hard evidence, and on that table over there, I see Exhibit A and Exhibit B. You searched the premises?
Correct.
Did you have a warrant? Because one has not been provided in evidence.
That this man, this upstanding gentleman of the law.
Would you like a third gambit?
No, sorry, no.
I had to do what I had to do! I had to do it! I went in there, but I got the evidence, and that is the evidence. That's all you need!
Order!
This man's a killer! Look at his eyes, he knows it! Look what he just did! Look what he just did!
calling-
Look what he just did! Look at that face! Who makes that face?
Prove it!
I did! I just fucking gave 2 minutes of evidence! What? I stuck my hand down your fucking throat!
Recess!
Miss Longbottom.
No.
Miss Long Corridor.
Chief Inspector, I am afraid that I must ask for my favor now. Only one way to avenge your lost love. You must take your gun. And you must take justice in my courtroom.
But I didn't bring a gun.
Don't worry. I had it delivered. This is Longbottom's idea.
Oh, good, you're all still here.
Mais non! No! Oi! Stop it! He's dead! You're coming with us! Come on! You're coming with us! No, you're coming with us! Surely, at least justice was done. Longbottom. At least justice was done. You know. Please grab a seat, Longbottom. It's so difficult, trying to keep the girls safe. They say to me, Lady Jacques, because, who has time to say Jacqueline every day? Are you done examining Billy the Party?
He's dead.
Then I suppose justice has been done. Come, Longbottom. We return in victory.